Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Okay, the main goal of this video is to try this Heinz no sugar added. I heard about it, I bought it on Amazon, and we're gonna try it. First thing we're gonna do is try it. Then we're gonna use it in a healthy barbecue sauce. It'll probably taste really bland. I bet it's gonna taste really bland. So let's go over all the ingredients first and give you an idea of what we're working with here. We're not gonna be putting sugar in this, all right? So come on in close. All right, let's see what we got here. Salt, granulated garlic and onion, got chipotle seasoning. We've got the Mother's apple cider vinegar, smoked paprika, Dijon mustard, the Heinz no sugar added ketchup, the Splenda, and a little bit of water, and I think that's it. So grab your immersion blenders and meet me at the table. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a spoon and put a little bit of ketchup on it. Oh, a lot of ketchup. And we're going to taste it. So this is the Heinz no sugar added ketchup. Is it worth buying? That's pretty good. That's not bad. I'm very shocked. Okay, this has 1 carb and 1 gram of sugar. That's it. My glands are taking off. All right, so let's take this and put it into a healthy barbecue sauce. Are you guys ready? Okay, guys, so if you don't want to use Heinz no sugar added, then you can go with tomato paste. And the recipe will still be delicious. And if you don't want to use Splenda as your sweetener, you can use your favorite, whether it's Truvia or Swerve or whatever you decide, all right? Let's get all the ingredients together. We're gonna put our sweetener in first, put our smoked paprika in, apple cider vinegar, our water, recipes down below, don't forget. You don't have to memorize any of this or worry about the amounts. A little salt, our onion and garlic granulated is already together. A little heat with the chipotle powder and mustard. You're gonna take your immersion blender and put it in there and just blend it all up. Make sure to go up and down so you get the stuff on top, like this. You don't want any ingredients not getting mixed in. All right, it's time to taste the barbecue sauce before I put on the rack of ribs. Because if I don't like this, I don't want to ruin a whole rack of ribs, so I'll go with a different sauce. This has no sugar in it added to it. So let's give it a try right now. That's gonna work. So let's put some sauce on this. Get your brush out so you can brush it around or rub it down. I don't care how you spread the sauce. Just spread the love all over. Okay guys, my buddy Paul just came over and helped me sauce this up, and both our mouths are watering right now. We're gonna cut into this right now and take a look at it. Your mouth's watering just like mine right now. Look at that. Can you see the steam coming off it? I'm gonna burn myself. That's right, for you guys, the things I go through. Hot, hot. That was amazing. That rib is awesome. I'm gonna bury my face into it. I want you to do me a favor. This is very keto friendly. Tell me what kind of sweetener you like. Is it Splenda? Is it Truvia? Is it Swerve? And then let me know in the comments below, recipes down below, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.